The nation that is famous not only for their beauty but also bravery and generosity. Welcome back to my channel Teaching and Learning. Yes friends, in my today's video, I am going to share some of the very important plus interesting things about Pashtun nation. But before watching it, Pashtuns are native to the land of southern Afghanistan and northwestern Pakistan, occasionally referred to as the Pashtunistan region, where the majority of them reside. Significant and historical communities of the diaspora exist in the Sindh and Punjab provinces of Pakistan, in the cities of Karachi and Lahore, and in the Rohilkhand region of the Uttar Pradesh state in India, and also in major cities such as Delhi and Bombay. A recent diaspora has formed in the Arab states of the Persian Gulf, primarily in the United Arab Emirates, as part of the larger South Asian diaspora. Pashtuns are the largest ethnic group in Afghanistan and constitute around 42% of the population. They have been the dominant ethno-linguistic group in Afghanistan since the nation's founding. Pashtuns are the second largest ethnic group in Pakistan, forming 15% of the population, and are considered one of the five major ethno-linguistic groups of the nation, alongside Punjabis, Sindhis, Balochis, and Kashmiris. Pashtuns are the 26th largest ethnic group in the world and are the world's largest segmentary lineage group. There are an estimated 350 to 400 Pashtun tribes and clans. Historical Pashtun figures include Ahmad Shah Durrani, considered the founder of Afghanistan, and Abdul Ghaffar Khan, an Indian independence activist during the British Raj. Other notable figures of Pashtun or partial Pashtun descent include Imran Khan, Sher Shah Suri, Shah Rukh Khan, Shahid Afridi, P. Roshan, Amanullah Khan, Dawood Khan, Ayub Khan, Zakir Hussain, and Madhubala. If we talk about their language, so the native language of the Pashtuns is Pashto, an Iranian language on the Indo-Ionic branch of the Indo-European language family. The majority of Pashtuns speak Dari, a variant of Persian or Hindustani, Hindi or Urdu as a second language in Afghanistan and the Indian subcontinent respectively. However, a significant minority speak these languages as their first, primary or main language. The total number of Pashtuns is estimated to be around 63 million. However, this figure is disputed due to the lack of an official census in Afghanistan since 1979. And now I am going to share the most searched 5 questions about Pashtuns. Number 1. What is the history of Pathans? The origin of the Pathan is debated. Linguistic evidence indicates Indo-European ancestry, while some tribal genealogies claim Semitic links. The regions of Afghanistan, eastern Iran, and western India have been some of the most heavily invaded in history, and so the Pathan of today are probably a heterogeneous group. Question number 2. What religion do most Pashtuns follow? And answer is Pashtuns are Sunni Muslims. Most of them follow the Hanafite branch of Sunni Islam. Question number 3. What are Pathans famous for? The answer is Pathans are Muslims and speak Pashto. They are also known as Pashtuns. Historically, Pathans have been noted as fierce fighters, and throughout history, they have offered strong resistance to invaders. Question number 4. How many types of Pathans are there? There are approximately 60 major Pashtun tribes and more than 400 sub-clans. The Pashtuns in the tribal belt profit from trading, trucking, and trafficking. Pashtun designates a person who speaks Pashto. The last question, and very interesting, is Pashto the language of jinns? So the answer is Afghan was the son of Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam. This was then his father taught him the language of jinns and named the language as Pashto. The historians believe that the descendants of Afghan were named as Afghanis or Pashtuns, and their language is known as Pashto. Well, dear friends, if it is a Sindhi, Punjabi, Balochi, Kashmiri or a Pathan, we all are a nation, and that is called Pakistani. And we love to be a Pakistani, and we are proud to be a Pakistani. We love not only our country, but we love all the world. So dear friends, these were the some of very important and interesting information about Pashtun nation. Till my next video, keep a good care of yourself, your family and your country Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.